Okay, ready? Snowball fight in Houston. Ah! I've been snowballed. All right. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up, but the truck is covered. Look at the ground. It is snowing hard right now. Look at that snow. That's what I'm talking about, Houston. Oh, this is all icy. Oh. Look at this. Look at all that snow on the ground. Look at the snow on the truck. Look at that. Woo! It is coming down. Look at that snow on the hood. Look at that. That is crazy. Where do we live? In Houston. Look at that snow on my truck. My truck don't know what to think. I don't know if this is going to show up, but there's a lot of snow on the roof. As soon as the sun comes up, I want to come out here and take pictures. Look at that white snow. That cabin, I know you can't sit in the video, but it's completely covered in white snow on the top. And it's coming down pretty good right now.
Want to do a selfie?
You can. We'll do it, and we'll call it the snowstorm. Let's do it in front of the truck. I just want to, this is the back of Old Blue and the Toyota. Now this Toyota's seen snow before, because Nuffy brought it. Look at all that snow in the back of there. On the roof up there. It's all white on the garage. Huh? I'm gonna go over here and film this too. Look at all that. Ooh, goodness, Houston. Look at the right here. That mirror. That's an inch of snow. Oh, got my finger in front of that, dummy. Look at that. How deep is that?
Holy cow. That is a lot of snow.
I wanted to try to get this right here. The ground looks pretty. The ground looks pretty with the snow on it. Too bad this didn't happen on Christmas Eve or something. That would have been awesome. Look on top of the. Look on top of the. Look at that. And you probably won't ever see this again in our lifetimes. Look at that snow coming down. Look at that snow on top of there. Catch it on your tongue. Our poor garden is, look at our garden, all iced over. Woo. Woo. Pretty cool stuff. Look at the snow on this line right here. On this line going across. Look how deep it is on there. I was just talking to the camera. That's crazy. Okay, let's go over here.
You like that snow on you,
Yeah, all over you. I mean, it's coming down hard. I mean, this is the Most snow I've seen in a long time in Houston. Let's take a selfie right here, dude. Let's do it right here. I know.
Need snow boots.
Need snow boots, yeah. That'd be a waste in Texas. Alright. Peace out, people. World's coming to an end. Snowstorm in Houston.